have a cab. Turned it off. I'll talk.
Fuck.
Can you not, Dale, man?
Right.
Progress, please.
I can't move, man.
What do you mean you can't move? Reverse.
Right. It's fucking truck driving time, bitch. Look at this fucking pile up that I caused.
Yeah.
This is all me. Crash vehicle offense. Fuck you.
Ow.
Come on.
I
get
drive on
some
the wrong
me.
side of the road because funny. I don't need roundabouts. I go around.
Don't need roundabouts.
Fuck's sake, man. I need to go back to the service station. You told I can.
Take the roundabout.
Service. Repair. 30 grand. Have that, employer. Right. Why am I just looking off to the side? Right.
What the fuck? Why is this guy just
Jesus Christ, right. I don't need no man. Fuck, I'm in neutral. I need a man. I'm in neutral!
Get out of the way, buddy.
Stop letting me out of neutral, thank you.
Get me first. Let's get out of here. I think we need to get out of here before they ban us from Edinburgh entirely.
Oh, it's just
13% of my cargo doesn't work.
Yeah.
Right, now it's time to properly disrespect the fucking roundabout. Don't you dare, Dale! Dale! I don't care about you. I've got more torque than you, bitch. I use both sides of the road. It's like a. Oh! Okay, we're fine. Dale, I swear to God, if I have to go back to fucking. Jesus. Oh my God!
My fucking car.
What the fuck, man? What's happened? Why have you just railed me from behind?
I'm back, guys.
Dale, get out the way.
You guys
drive.
a fucking roadblock.
Dale, literally just drive out the way, I swear. Right, continue driving, Dale. There's the police after me. Jesus Christ, the fucking coppers are after me, bro. Now we're speeding, we're speeding, we're speeding, we're speeding! Ew, I swear to God!
Where are we going?
Head straight. Fucking dumbass. Jesus Christ! I'm actually sustaining damage! I fuck you, man. You're weak-minded. You're a fucking feeble-minded, bro. You're a sheeple.
What?
Why am I just railing, you know?
God move!
Drive normally. Like a normal person. Like a normal person!
Don't! You let me in no room, you fat
This is a one-way road. This guy's taking 2 ways.
Oh, go behind me, bro!
No, I am the leader of this bag. I am the
No, you're not! Damn!